That's not aeroplane fuel, that's coming from wing. That's the third time he's been round. Are they testing something? My patience or what? That's the third time he's flown round. He's not just dumping fuel. If he is, he needs to be charged because I have to breathe that. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and it's not healthy. And trails, look. Third time he's been round, look. Right, that's first one. That's second trail. Let's see if he comes round again. It's a lovely blue sky, look. And then you get fucking aeroplanes like that coming round playing shit over exactly where I live, and everybody just drives past and takes no notice of what the fuck's going on. American military, the CIA, who I don't know who the fuck you are, but you don't deserve the right to be controlling equipment like that.